In 2025, the competition between Android and iOS continues to shape the smartphone landscape in remarkable ways. Android's commitment to innovation, particularly with its AI advancements, is attracting tech-savvy consumers eager for cutting-edge features at various price points, making it increasingly popular in emerging markets. Meanwhile, iOS stands firm in its dedication to privacy and user experience, appealing to those who prioritize a premium and secure ecosystem. Android's global dominance is underscored by its ability to offer a wide variety of devices, from cost-effective options to high-end models, enabling it to appeal to diverse demographics worldwide. This flexibility has made Android the go-to choice for those seeking affordability and functionality, especially in developing regions where budget constraints influence purchasing decisions. Despite their differing approaches, both platforms are adapting to the evolving demands of users. Android's innovation in AI integration is not just about functionality. It also enhances the user experience by streamlining tasks and personalizing interactions, making smartphones increasingly intuitive. For instance, features like Samsung's advanced AI tools help users manage their schedules and automate daily tasks with remarkable ease. Meanwhile, Apple is gradually expanding its AI capabilities, emphasizing privacy by keeping most processes on-device, which reassures users that their personal data remains secure. Android's strategy of constant evolution positions it advantageously to meet various user needs, embracing both affordability and technological advancements. For instance, the introduction of budget-friendly smartphones with robust performance features allows users in developing markets to access high-quality technology without breaking the bank. This not only maximizes reach but also solidifies user loyalty as individuals begin their smartphone journey with Android devices, often continuing as they upgrade over time. In contrast, iOS maintains its allure through targeted marketing and exclusive experiences, fostering a sense of belonging within its user community that many find enticing. In examining the user demographics further, it becomes evident that distinct social trends are influencing smartphone preferences. The emerging preferences among users reflect a widening gap between the two platforms, particularly among younger generations. Gen Z, with its affinity for digital experiences and social networking, shows a strong inclination towards iOS devices, valuing not only the sleek design but also Apple's commitment to privacy. These users often perceive their smartphones as extensions of their personal identity, which Apple's cohesive ecosystem adeptly supports. This connection to the brand fosters long-term loyalty, as young consumers are likely to remain with Apple as they transition into adulthood. In contrast, Android's appeal continues to resonate in markets where cost-effectiveness is paramount, empowering a diverse range of users to partake in smartphone ownership. As global economies evolve and more people enter the smartphone market, Android's strategy of providing a multitude of devices at various price points positions it as a formidable contender in the ongoing battle for user preference. Each platform's strengths increasingly reflect users' values and priorities, molding the competitive landscape in the digital age. As we delve deeper into the smartphone war, it's clear that while Android garners attention with affordability and innovative features, iOS retains its influence through exclusivity and reliability. The distinct user experiences each platform offers cater to varying consumer desires, spontaneity versus stability. While Android users benefit from extensive choices and advanced technology that evolves rapidly, iOS aficionados appreciate the uniformity and meticulous design that assures them of privacy and security. The choice between these two powerhouses largely lies in what individuals value most in their everyday digital interactions. As we analyze the contrasting philosophies of Android and iOS, it becomes evident that each platform appeals to different motivations and desires among users. Android's focus on customization and affordability resonates with consumers who prioritize flexibility and personalization, allowing them to create a smartphone experience tailored to their unique preferences. Conversely, iOS's emphasis on a high-quality, user-friendly ecosystem attracts those who seek reliability and integration across their devices. This commitment to a cohesive user experience ensures that Apple's loyal customer base continues to grow, drawing in users who value simplicity and sophistication in their tech choices. Ultimately, the outcome of the smartphone war will depend on how well each platform adapts to the changing landscape of technology and consumer preferences, making it an exciting space to watch in the coming years. As consumers increasingly blend their digital and personal lives, the demand for a smartphone experience that reflects individuality is higher than ever. Android's diverse range of devices allows for a level of personalization that appeals to users seeking to express themselves through technology, whether it be through customized interfaces or hardware configurations. In contrast, iOS emphasizes a refined aesthetic coupled with a user-friendly experience that promotes seamless interactions across its ecosystem. Ultimately, this dichotomy underscores the broader narrative of the smartphone market in 2025, where user expectations and emotional connections to their devices play a pivotal role in shaping preferences and driving the industry forward. As we continue monitoring these trends, one thing remains clear: the competition between Android and iOS is not just about market shares, but about forging deeper connections with their respective audiences. Android's rise is not without challenges, as developers grapple with the fragmentation of hardware and software. This diversity, while beneficial for choice, complicates creating uniform applications that perform optimally across all devices. Developers must navigate varying screen sizes, specs, and operating versions, necessitating considerable effort to ensure their apps reach a wide audience effectively. In conclusion, the ongoing smartphone battle between Android and iOS underscores the dichotomy between expansive accessibility and premium design. As both platforms evolve, they highlight the differing values of consumers, enabling users to choose a device that best aligns with their unique needs and preferences. The journey ahead promises innovation and exciting developments for smartphone users everywhere.